If you are a digital marketing agency owner and you are handling Google business profiles of your clients, then I must tell you that you can do that from a single platform. You can add multiple Google business profiles through a single platform of our GBPGM app, so that you don't need to log into different panels, different accounts for managing those Google business profiles. Apart from different automation features which we have provided here, we have an exclusive feature through which your staff can be provided with different rights to access those profiles. Not even just access rights, you can segregate that into rights of different menus and different functionalities which our app provides, and you can anytime take that right back whenever you want. So through a single platform you save a lot of time of yours and your staff, and with lot of automation features which we are releasing in this app, you can definitely take advantage to get better result on those Google business profiles, and thus saving up to 80% of your time which is cost, and thus getting better profit margin. So what are you waiting for? Try this GBPGM app. I am sharing the link in the description section below.